Yeah, don't let it fall, right? Next. When you are doing it, right? So don't try to hold things so you can make it longer. So press from here, right? Right, so you keep pressing here, right? Nothing, there will be little bit of shape change here, but don't make it stiff. You're not doing anything, you're not producing the sound from here, you're not trying to force from here, right? See, this is relaxed, this part is relaxed, it's just a shape. The shape will change a little bit. Do the good things from the beginning, right? So, suppose you start like, not like that. The good A you are doing, do it from the beginning. So first, you get in position, right? Then you start making the sound. Right? Oh. Very good. There, like that. Now do the good one that you did, right? Start from the beginning. Yeah, very good. Don't let it fall. Right? Don't let that happen. Very good. Very good. Can you feel, let me ask you this, can you feel the soft palate, you're lifting it, can you feel that? Suppose, can you do these two things? What's the difference? What are you doing differently? Is it different from somewhere inside? Is it different? What is different? It's kind of open, right? It's open, more open, right? Inside. You'll do right? You'll do two different things. And she will take the video at that point. Then you see the video, you watch the video, what is happening inside. So do two types. On that one. Then you see the difference in the video. See, what happens is, when we have this thing called soft palate, and it's like in a room, we have the ceiling and we have the floor, right? Inside our mouth also, right? Inside our mouth, we have the ceiling and we have the floor. Right? Yeah, here, right? Inside our mouth, right? We have the floor and we have the ceiling. Right? The floor is always at the floor. It is there. There is nothing much. Right? The ceiling, the back side of the ceiling, the front side, yeah, inside the mouth. So the front, it's called hard palate. Right? The front of the ceiling. Yeah, right? You can touch with the tongue, right? Yeah, just behind your teeth, the upper teeth. Yeah. Right here, that's your hard palate, right? Right here, that's the hard palate. Behind that portion, it's called soft palate, right? The back part of the ceiling, that's called soft palate, right? When you lift the soft palate, you have more space inside your mouth, right? So you can see, from outside you can see, when you do this, your soft palate is going up. Yeah, like that. when you go to the doctor's place, right? You have cold. Okay, do ah. They used to go ah. Yeah, they can see inside the because the soft palate is up. When your soft palate is down, that's the sound you get.